Okay, Karen, it's a good start. I want to just point out a few things. So if you look at the way this is formatted, paragraph format, this is where I'm assuming you're using your formatting stuff. So this needs to be header. So paragraph should be header 1. And then format, it looks like you put it in bold. So a couple of ways to do that. I would do Command B, and that puts it in bold. And so that's what you did. Somehow you formatted it to be bold, but you don't need to do that if you have the paragraph set at the heading. It already puts it in bold. So then let's see what we did here. Looks like this is paragraph, but it's also bold. So again, what I would do on this first line in each document is, instead of making it bold, which is what you've done, you've made it bold either by doing format strong, which is bold, or you just put, like I would do it, I would highlight it, Command B, and it would be bold. But that's not what we want on the first line. The first line, we probably want to, let's go format. So what we're going to do is, the quote is what we want typically in the first. So I'm going to move this up and just do that, and then I'm going to make that a quote. So that's what happens when I change that to quote. It makes it look really nice, and that's what I want in the first, the first line is quote. And then the opening prayer, that's like a section of each document. So just like you did here, looks like what you did there was formatted it strong. So instead of formatting it strong, again, that's not what we want. That's like a paragraph header. So what we want is, let's do header 3. So that's header 3 now. And same with the opening prayer. Let's make that heading 3. And then, so that's what we'll do. And then here we have the psalm. So anytime we reference a scripture, again, instead of making it bold, let's make that paragraph, see if we can make that paragraph header 4. So there we go. And then what did we do here? It looks like you made all of that italics. That's okay. But I'm not sure why you made this section italics and not the rest of the scriptures. So I'm not sure why you did that. But anyway, I think probably what I would do is, I kind of like that, make it all italics. So that's what I would do there. But here's a couple of problems. Like, you've got these gaps. So I need you to fix those gaps. This is what I need you to pay close attention to, because what's going to happen is, when you finish this this document, this is going to be a post, like a daily post. So again, since we're referencing the scripture here, again, what we do here, we did 4, paragraph header 4. So let's do that here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. That puts so if I look at paragraph, it's header 4. So that's okay. Treasures, that's a big one. So that's header 3. And again, here the scriptures are. So let's put the scriptures in italics. And let's make sure we look through. Okay, looks good. Now I'm not sure what you did here. Again, you did bold and italics. So this is, instead of bold and italics, let's make this a header 5. The reflection are actually a header 4. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to unbold it. I'm going to unitalic. Oops, maybe you didn't have it italics. But what I want to do there is paragraph header 4, I believe. So the reflection, I'm not sure why you have this right here, this pipe character. That makes no sense to me. I'm not sure why it's there, so I'm going to delete it. So that's what I would like for you to help me with, as far as And so this is the reflection, so probably we'll put that in parentheses. Italics. Prayer for the church, again, you've got that bold, so I'm going to make it unbold, and then I'm going to, since it's a header, I'm going to make that a header 4. And then closing prayer, you've got that bold, so I'm going to unbold that, and that's going to be a header 4, or header 3, since that's like the end. And then since it's a prayer, let's put it in italics. So there we have it. This is ordinary, day 1. The name of the file, it looks like it's a duplicate, so I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to put it in Karen, and I'm going to hit enter. And so you should have that file in your Dropbox now, ready to move to the folder. And remember, we're moving it to the folder. So there it is, and that's actually not the one, that's the one I did. So I'm just gonna, you'll want to delete that one and then move this one into that folder. So let's just take a look for grins at the one that I did. It's probably got some weird things. So it's got a line at the bottom. I kind of like that. I didn't do it the way I told you to do it, but if we look at this paragraph, it's a header 2. I think I said let's make that a header 3 or 4. Yeah, 3. That makes more sense. This, I just made the whole scripture a quote, which I kind of like that, you know, maybe, but see, I did only part of it. So anyway, we just want to try to be consistent in how we do each of these, because again, they're going to be posts. We're going to take this and post it to the website, and the formatting, if we use Markdown files, the formatting will be great when we post it. We won't have to do anything. So that'll get us through. That's going to take a lot of work. So yep, you're going to do ordinary, and there should be 7 days there, and then you're going to do quieting, and so that would be a new folder, a new topic, right? And then so spaciousness, a new topic, the soil of your soul, a new topic, time, and you'll just keep going until you have all of these topics. Each of these will be topics with day 1, day 2, day 3, and so it's going to take a while to get those all in and formatted, but that's your job. So you got plenty of work to do, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'm going to go eat some lunch now.